Perth is often overlooked, but it's a city where endless coastline meets rich culture and stories you won't find in guidebooks. In this video, we'll uncover Perth's best-kept secrets, from pristine beaches to cultural treasures and untold stories that make this city so special. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hidden travel guides. Perth, the capital of Western Australia, is a city of contrasts. On one side, you have the sparkling Indian Ocean, with its endless beaches and golden sunsets. On the other, a bustling city filled with art, culture, and stories that stretch from Aboriginal heritage to modern innovation. Often called the world's most isolated capital city, Perth turns that distance into an advantage, offering space, freedom, and a rhythm of life unlike anywhere else. Let's uncover the secrets, coastline magic, and untold stories that make Perth extraordinary. Point 10. Kings Park and Botanic Garden. Nature above the city. Perched high above the Swan River, Kings Park is one of the world's largest inner-city parks, bigger than New York's Central Park. Locals love it for morning jogs, picnics, and sunset views that frame the city skyline. The Botanic Garden showcases over 3,000 species of Western Australian flora, making it both beautiful and educational. During September, the Kings Park Festival transforms the grounds with wildflowers in full bloom. What makes this spot special isn't just the greenery. It's how seamlessly it blends city life with untouched nature, offering a reminder that Perth is a city built around its landscapes. Point 9. Fremantle, heritage port town with a short train ride from the city lies Fremantle, or Freo to locals. A historic port that feels like a town within a city. Cobblestone streets, Victorian architecture, and bustling markets give it old-world charm, while modern street art and live music add an edge. The Fremantle markets are famous for artisanal goods and multicultural food, while the Little Creatures Brewery embodies the city's craft beer scene. Don't miss the Fremantle Prison, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that reveals darker chapters of Australia's convict past. Freo is where Perth slows down and breathes. Heritage, culture, and creativity blend effortlessly here. Point 8. Rottnest Island. Smiles of the quokkas. Few places in the world can rival Rottnest Island for charm. Just a ferry ride from Perth, this car-free paradise offers turquoise bays, white sand beaches, and cycling trails that lead to secret coves. But the true stars are the quokkas, adorable marsupials that seem to grin for photos, earning Rottnest its global fame on Instagram. Beyond selfies, the island reveals coral reefs, snorkeling spots like the Basin, and even World War II history in its gun batteries. Rottnest is both playful and profound, reminding visitors of Perth's unique link between wildlife, history, and natural beauty. Point 7. Cottesloe Beach. Perth's coastal icon. Perth boasts some of the best urban beaches in the world, and Cottesloe Beach is its crown jewel. With its sweeping stretch of sand, Indian Ocean sunsets, and laid-back surf culture, Cottesloe is as much a lifestyle as a destination. Families picnic on the grassy terraces, swimmers dive into the turquoise shallows, and surfers chase waves rolling in from across the ocean. Every March, the beach transforms into an open-air gallery during Sculpture by the Sea, when hundreds of artworks the shoreline. Cottesloe embodies Perth's essence, relaxed, beautiful, and bathed in golden light. Point 6. Perth's islands and marine life. Ocean encounters beyond Rottnest. Perth's coastline is alive with marine wonders. Penguin Island, just south of the city, is home to Australia's largest colony of little penguins, alongside pelicans and sea lions. Nearby Seal Island offers close encounters with playful sea lions, while dolphin cruises in Rockingham showcase pods in their natural habitat. Offshore, divers explore the wreck of the HMAS Swan, one of Australia's best artificial reefs. These encounters reveal Perth's untold story, a city deeply tied to the Indian Ocean, where marine life and coastal living go hand in hand. Point 5. The Swan River, a lifeline through the city. The Swan River isn't just a body of water, it's Perth's lifeblood. The city curves around its bends, with riverside parks, cycle paths, and sailing clubs making it a playground for locals. On weekends, families barbecue along its banks while kayakers paddle through calm stretches. The bell tower, one of Perth's modern icons, sits at the river's edge, while river cruises offer a slow journey past landmarks and luxury homes. The river also carries cultural weight. It's central to the stories of the Whadjuk Noongar people, the traditional custodians of the land. This blend of leisure and heritage makes the Swan River more than scenery. It's a narrative of Perth itself. Point 4. Elizabeth Quay, modern Perth on display. Sleek, bold, and futuristic, Elizabeth Quay represents Perth's transformation into a modern global city. Opened in 2016, this waterfront development is alive with restaurants, public art, and striking architecture like the Spanda sculpture, which frames views of the river and skyline. Families ride the carousel, couples stroll along the boardwalk, and ferries shuttle visitors across the water. It's also a hub for festivals and fireworks, especially during Australia Day. Elizabeth Quay tells a different story of Perth, one that's ambitious, stylish, and ready to stand shoulder to shoulder with the world's great waterfronts. Point 3. Perth's hidden culture, art, music, and stories. Beneath Perth's sun-soaked image lies a growing cultural heartbeat. The Art Gallery of Western Australia showcases Indigenous and contemporary works, while the Perth Institute of Contemporary Arts, PICA, pushes boundaries with experimental exhibitions. Music thrives in intimate venues like the Bird, while the annual Perth Festival brings theater, dance, and global performances. Indigenous culture is woven throughout the city, with art trails, galleries, and cultural tours revealing the stories of the Noongar people. Perth's culture isn't always obvious. It's discovered by those who look closer, rewarding curiosity with depth. Point 2. Indian Ocean sunsets, nature's masterpiece. Few cities on Earth can boast sunsets like Perth's. Facing directly west over the Indian Ocean, the city is blessed with nightly displays of fiery oranges, deep purples, and endless horizons. Locals gather at beaches like Scarborough, City Beach, or Trig Point with fish and chips in hand, turning sunset into a communal ritual. For travelers, it's a reminder of Perth's unique geography, a city perched on the very edge of a vast ocean. Each sunset feels like the day's grand finale, reinforcing Perth's identity as a place where nature and daily life are inseparable. Point 1. The spirit of Perth, isolation, resilience, and connection. The greatest secret of Perth isn't found in its beaches, landmarks, or nightlife. It's in its spirit. Known as the world's most isolated capital city, Perth has developed resilience and independence unlike anywhere else. Its people are resourceful, welcoming, and deeply connected to both land and sea. The isolation hasn't limited Perth. It has inspired it to innovate, celebrate diversity, and carve its own identity. From suburban barbecues to vibrant multicultural festivals, from indigenous traditions to new creative movements, Perth is more than a destination. It's a story of resilience meeting beauty. Its untold story is simple yet profound. Perth thrives because of its distance, not in spite of it. From its breathtaking coastline to vibrant culture and hidden tales, Perth has so much more to offer than most travelers realize. If this video opened your eyes to the city's secrets, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more authentic travel stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.